Welcome to the third video in the Ranorex Studio Validation series, Basic Image-Based Validation. You can download the completed solution that features in this video from the user guide, details of which can be found in this video's description. We shall begin by creating the recording module we will be using. We click Record and the demo app comes into view. If we check the box Show Image, we are met by the image of a cat. We want to validate this picture, so we click Validate and ensure that image-based recording is switched on. Click on the picture of the cat. A dialog box showing the element under validation appears. Click Next. We can validate all or part of the image. We have three further options. None deactivates image validation. Contains determines whether the validation image is contained in the actual image found during the test. Compare determines whether the validation image and the actual image found during the test are the same. Click OK and finish the recording. The validation type operators that are of interest in this test are contains image and compare image. There are also advanced options available. To access advanced options, right-click on the validation and click Properties. Then click the arrow to open the image-based properties. These options allow you to fine-tune how similar images should be and whether Ranorex Studio should pre-process the image to handle edges and color differences. For details on how to set these values, please refer to the Ranorex user guide, a link to which can be found in this video's description. We can run the test and we find that it is successful, as if screenshot 1 is contains image in the UI element referenced by the repository item the cat, then the validation returns the value true. In the next video in the validation series, we will be looking at tooltip validation.